LSG stands for Langsägegerät in German, Lenksaw device, which is a well-tried method of sawing up logs. The principle is simple. The saw bar follows the previously sawn surface. The first cut is made either using the big mill system or by attaching a straight plank or a ladder along the top of the log. Here a guide rail is used on each side of the log. Use a spirit level when screwing in the guide rail holders. Set the distance between the guide rails at the same width as the Timberjigs carriages. Setting the height is very simple. All ratchet bars are set to the same height. The big mill system is a modular system for men and women who want to proceed carefully and partially create a sawmill to suit their needs at a reasonable cost and with no limitations on the length and size of the logs you can saw. Start the saw on the ground with the chain brake engaged. Hold the chainsaw handle until the whole blade is within the log. This method offers a very good level of precision. Using a 90 centimeters long blade, you can saw 75 centimeter wide boards to within 1 centimeter accuracy. Welcome to the world's most comprehensive system for small-scale wood processing. Try out sawing with a Timberjig. It offers a wealth of additional possibilities.